What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Halloween Horror Nights construction update and to see if anything else is going on around both parks. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Split point. We can go to Islands or we can go to Studios, but, well, I already know we're going to Studios. There's a lot more to cover there. NBC Sports Grill Brew with a large television screens, and up there they have been playing the Olympics, and just off to the side over here we have a step and repeat, so if you want a photo. Then we have some bleachers, so when they do play the Olympics live, you can watch it right there. And here we are. We have arrived at Universal Studios Florida. In our last update, we had the Olympic rings that were on tour right out here. Well, it's gone. We still have lighting trusses up right there and across the way over there, though. Let's get inside the park. They are showing the Olympics with the banner, July 23rd through August 8th. More lighting trusses right there. And the ticket windows, well, they do not seem too busy today. I'm not seeing any sort of line over there. And the line that's over there is very minimal. So we should be able to get right in. Turnstiles, also not much of a wait. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. And what is this that I see down the way? Lighting trusses right next to Despicable Me and Shrek. That's going to be for Halloween Horror Nights. Isn't it glorious? Isn't it great? Yes, it's very good to see all these lights and lighting trusses back here. Outdoor rides and attractions are closed right now, as we can see Rip Ride Rockit not doing anything. And the amphitheater area is still heavily promoting the Olympics. We have the booths over here also open, and just a hunch, it's going to be around probably until, August 8th when it says the Olympics are over. Universal Studios Classic Monsters Cafe, and somebody in our last update for the comments said, hey, is it open? Well, indeed it is. Indoor attractions are going to have a little bit more of a wait, as we can see Fallon right here with a line out the front entrance. Jurassic World Tribute Store, if you have not been in here or watched our other videos, it's pretty amazing. And it's going to be here all the way through August 8th, so get here quick. And directly across from the Jurassic World Tribute Store, check this out. We have a stage. Halloween Horror Nights. Even says it right there. Pardon our dust. We're in the process of transforming our park into Halloween Horror Nights. Gotta love that. Some banners up there as well. Sound equipment. Do not climb. Don't be dumb. And just down the way in the New York area still, we have more set up for Halloween Horror Nights. In fact, this right here, you may remember, this was the temporary raptor encounter that was over at Islands of Adventure. It's just been repurposed. Over there, we have another scaffolding. And right over here next to the lockers for Mummy, another scaffolding piece. And we have a vehicle here too. More set pieces for the scare zone. Looks awesome. And there's a lot of it. I see another one down over there. Another one over here. Plenty of Halloween Horror Nights stuff. More theming pieces for Halloween Horror Nights. That's going to do it for the Halloween Horror Nights stuff over here in the New York area. Let's see if any other areas have it. Fast and Furious Supercharged. And for some reason, it's currently closed. Darn. We've been getting a lot of thunderstorms. I'm sure Bruce is okay with it, though. What do you think, Bruce? You like it? King's Cross Station. And directly across the way, well, we have a bunch of lighting trusses. Like normal. These are usually here for Halloween Horror Nights. They extend down the way too. There's the dragon. Gringotts showing a 70-minute wait. Lots of people outside because it is starting to rain. I'm sure it's a little bit longer than 70 right now. lighting trusses, one here, one just down the way, and then another one over there. Wait times, let's check them out. Park is open until 9. As you can see, outdoor attractions closed, but Minion Mayhem, 80 minutes. Men in Black, also down right now. Ouch. E.T. at 25 minutes. We can see some of the shows, weather depending, will be happening around those times. Transformers, 70 minutes. Simpsons, 60 minutes. We can see Shrek 40 at 50. Harry Potter, Diagon Alley, King's Cross Station is a 50-minute wait. A little bit longer, not too bad though. I have seen it up to about an hour and a half. Over here at Revenge of the Mummy, 60 minutes. Fast and Furious showing 50 minutes, even though when we walked by it was closed. Green Gots showing 70 minutes. We just checked that out. And of course, some of the other waits that we have here. And over here at the Fear Factor stage, still have the covers up on the signs. And the large one right there also. All right, maybe I'm losing my mind or I just don't pay attention enough. I don't remember this booth being here. But it is. Summer Bites. And here's the menu. Well, it looks like some of the outdoor rides and attractions are starting to reopen. That's good. Simpsons area, and in our last update, Lard Lab Donuts had a heck of a line. Well, not as bad today. Same with Bumblebee Man Tacos. I'm thinking it's because of the rain. Man, I tell you what, stuff happens quick here at the Universal Orlando Resort. Just in our last update, we had F9 movie promotional stuff out here, including a car. Well, it's gone. Sign out here on the stage showing now open DreamWorks Destination, where you can meet all sorts of DreamWorks characters, just down the way over there where Barney used to be. E.T. with a 35-minute wait. It's worth it for the forest smell. Good news, lighting trusses are starting to go up over in this area of the park. Again, my favorite for Halloween Horror Nights. You can see another one over there, and down the way a bunch. Oh, and that car that was here, yeah, it's not anymore. In years prior, we've had a stage set up over here or over there. Well, we have a stage over there already, but I don't know if it's going to be used for Halloween Horror Nights. We'll see. Williams of Hollywood, also known as the Prop Shop. You know I love this place. It's open. Let's go see if anything is new. Still have the creepy pumpkin dude here. Hello. New sign there. Still have all the beats from Mardi Gras. And this area, not seeing too much different. Again, kind of lacking on the Halloween Horror Nights stuff. Do have some signs up there though, and different characters. Around the corner, foods, produce, signs, license plates, and a cactus. If you want a cactus, you can get one here. Boas. And around the corner, photos, stamps, a lot of costumes, things like that. But as far as park memorabilia, I'm not seeing too much like this place normally has. But, oh well, it's okay. That's going to do it for the Prop Shop. Five and Dime, and we know they have Halloween Horror Nights, preview merchandise, and there's some new ones. As we can see, Beetlejuice. Well, not really new. I think they sold this before, but it says Halloween Horror Nights right there on the shirt. Looks pretty good. Like the display. And then just around over here, more Beetlejuice shirts. And Haunting of Hill House right there on that shirt. And of course, I'm back with Jack. That's just about going to do it for everything over here at Studios. Let's go over to Islands. I do like when it's pretty humid out and we get rain because it creates a lot of fog right here around the globe. Looks awesome. Ta-da! We have made it to Islands, and yep, it's still raining. It's starting to get a little bit muggier, a little hotter out, but at least it's not downpouring, and it's not somewhere with a heat index of like 104. Ticket windows over here, not busy. These aren't even being used. And turnstiles on the left and right are open. we'll be right in. Just like at Studios, right on through. Six Flags, what is that doing here? Wait times, let's check them out. Park is open till 10 over here. We can see Velocicoaster at a 45-minute wait, Kong at 85 minutes, Spider-Man 40 minutes, Forbidden Journey at 90 minutes, Flight of the Hippogriff was 75 minutes, 25 minutes for Carousel, and some of the other attractions around 40 minutes. Let's see, water rides 15 minutes, 25 minutes for River Adventure, so not terrible for the waits. There's the Velocicoaster, and man is it good to see a coaster running, because Studios, well, due to the weather, nothing was running outdoors. More good news. It looks like Hulk is about to come up from weather again, and the water cannons working. Love it. Dr. Doom's Fearfall, and right now it's currently showing a 45-minute wait. I still love this attraction though. Tons of fun. We used to have a stage over here for photo opportunities. Well, yep. Still gone. And yes, work walls are still up around the Toon Lagoon sign. Popeye and Bluto's currently showing a 15-minute wait. Not surprised, considering everybody got drenched from the rain. Me Ship the Olive, still not in operation, but we are told this thing is going to need quite a bit of TLC before it will reopen. Rexy in the rain. She's looking good as always. Jurassic World Velocicoaster, and it's running. River Adventure, currently showing a 60-minute wait. It's very busy over in this area of the park though. Someone didn't listen to the safety spiel. Remember, lost items can't be retrieved. Velocicoaster showing a 60-minute wait, and there is something to cover over here that's new. And we can find it right over here at the bypass bridge. And here we are now on the bypass bridge, doing the Velociwaltz, you know, just going around in circles while the ride goes around in circles around us. But what I wanted to show you is with this fence netting thing right over here, well, they've done some changes. On the other side, it has a Jurassic World archway now. And here's a look at the archway from the other side. Velocicoaster. We're here at the front entrance. Ride doing its thing. Gotta love that. Right now, showing a 60-minute wait, and the flames are on. And now we're in Hogsmeade. Per usual, it's packed. Hagrid's, and it's busy enough that they are using a virtual queuing system. And of course, we have to check up on our Velocifishies. Good to see you guys. Stay away from the Osprey. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort, and I am happy to say over at Studios there's quite a bit of work going on for Halloween Horror Nights, as the New York area of the park has a lot of different things set up. The rest of the park though, a couple odds and ends. Over here at Islands, well, we now have an archway for that bypass bridge cage, and that's about it. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.